Rustic wood furniture has a unique charm that goes beyond trends. It tells a story of natural grains, rich textures, and the raw beauty of wood shaped by time. In a world filled with modern, polished designs, rustic pieces bring something refreshingly authentic. They create a sense of comfort, grounding your space with organic elements that feel warm, inviting, and full of character. Hello. Welcome back to Kuki Decor, where creativity meets craftsmanship and nature inspires every corner of your home. Today, we're diving into a world where warmth, texture, and timeless beauty come together: rustic wood furniture. If you've ever dreamed of transforming your living space into a cozy retreat that feels both stylish and deeply connected to nature, then you're in the right place. In this video, we'll explore some of the top rustic wood furniture designs that can completely transform your living space. From bold statement pieces like solid wood dining tables and handcrafted coffee tables to subtle accents like wooden shelves and decor elements, each idea is designed to inspire you. Whether your home leans toward modern minimalism, farmhouse style, or a mix of both, rustic wood furniture blends effortlessly, adding depth and personality to any room. What makes rustic furniture truly special is its versatility. It can be rugged yet elegant, simple yet striking. Reclaimed wood pieces, for example, not only look stunning, but also carry a sense of sustainability, giving new life to old materials. Natural imperfections like knots, cracks, and grain patterns aren't flaws. They're what make each piece one of a kind. And that's the beauty of rustic design. It celebrates imperfection and turns it into art. As we go through these ideas, imagine how each piece could fit into your own space. Think about the atmosphere you want to create, whether it's a peaceful sanctuary, a welcoming family area, or a stylish yet comfortable living room. Rustic wood furniture has the power to redefine your environment, making it feel more personal and connected to nature. So sit back, relax, and get ready to be inspired. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Kuki Decor for more creative home design ideas that bring warmth and beauty into your everyday life. Let's explore how rustic wood furniture can truly transform your living space into something extraordinary. Rustic wood furniture offers a unique blend of beauty, durability, and timeless appeal that makes it a valuable addition to any home. One of the greatest advantages of rustic wood furniture is its natural aesthetic. Unlike mass-produced pieces with uniform finishes, rustic furniture highlights the organic textures, grains, and imperfections of real wood. Knots, cracks, and variations in color are not flaws, but defining features that give each piece its own personality. This creates a warm and inviting atmosphere, making any space feel more comfortable and connected to nature. Rustic wood furniture offers excellent value over time. While the initial investment may sometimes be higher than cheaper alternatives, its longevity and timeless style mean it does not need to be replaced frequently. This makes it a cost-effective choice in the long run. Instead of following short-lived trends, rustic furniture maintains its charm and relevance for years, making it a smart and enduring investment. Rustic wood furniture is often crafted from solid wood such as oak, pine, or reclaimed timber, which makes it incredibly strong and long-lasting. These pieces are designed to withstand daily use and can often last for decades with minimal maintenance. In fact, rustic furniture tends to age gracefully, developing a richer character over time rather than losing its appeal. Small scratches or wear marks often enhance its look instead of diminishing it, which makes it especially suitable for busy households. Sustainability is also a major advantage of rustic wood furniture. Many designs incorporate reclaimed or recycled wood, reducing the demand for newly harvested materials and minimizing environmental impact. By choosing rustic pieces, homeowners can support eco-friendly practices while enjoying high-quality furniture. This makes rustic wood furniture an excellent choice for those who are conscious about their environmental footprint and want to make responsible design decisions. In addition to its visual and practical benefits, rustic wood furniture also contributes to a sense of authenticity and craftsmanship. Many rustic pieces are handcrafted, showcasing the skill and attention to detail of artisans. This adds emotional value to the furniture, as it feels more meaningful and unique compared to factory-made items. Owning such pieces can create a deeper connection to your home, as each item carries a story and a sense of heritage. Versatility is another reason why rustic wood furniture remains so popular. It blends seamlessly with a wide range of interior styles, from traditional farmhouse and country designs to modern and industrial spaces. A rustic wooden table, for example, can serve as a bold centerpiece in a contemporary room or complement other natural elements in a more classic setting. This flexibility allows homeowners to mix and match styles, creating a personalized and visually interesting space. Overall, the advantages of rustic wood furniture go far beyond its appearance. It combines strength, sustainability, versatility, and character in a way that few other furniture styles can match. By incorporating rustic wood pieces into your home, you not only enhance your living space, but also create an environment that feels warm, authentic, and truly timeless. As we come to the end of today's journey through these inspiring rustic wood furniture designs, we hope you're feeling excited and ready to bring a touch of natural beauty into your own living space. Rustic furniture isn't just about decoration, it's about creating a home that feels warm, welcoming, and full of character. Each piece tells a story through its textures, grains, and timeless appeal, turning ordinary rooms into spaces that truly feel alive and personal. Whether you're planning a complete home makeover or simply looking to add one standout piece, remember that even the smallest rustic touch can make a big difference. A handcrafted coffee table, a reclaimed wood shelf, or even a simple wooden accent can instantly transform the mood of your space. It's all about blending comfort with style and letting nature's charm shine through in your home. At Kuki Decor, we believe that great design should not only look beautiful, but also feel meaningful. Rustic wood furniture offers that perfect balance, combining durability, sustainability, and a unique aesthetic that never goes out of style. It allows you to create a space that reflects your personality while staying connected to the natural world. If you enjoyed this video and found these ideas inspiring, don't forget to show your support by giving it thumbs up and sharing it with friends and family who love home decor as much as you do. And if you're new to the channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest creative ideas and design inspirations. We'd also love to hear from you. Which rustic wood furniture design was your favorite? Are you planning to try any of these ideas in your own home? Let us know in the comments below. Your thoughts and ideas always inspire our future content. Thank you so much for spending your time with us today. Until next time, keep creating, keep exploring, and keep transforming your living space into something truly special with Kuki Decor.